Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of IntelliJ IDEA, that is IntelliJ IDEA version 2024.2 on Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how you can easily create a simple Hello World Java program and how to run that within our IntelliJ IDEA. So to watch the video till the end, I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you'll be learning a lot of new things. And if you still face any issues in middle, you can always comment in your comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. And I have also created one Instagram account. So please do follow me over there. And if you have any questions, you can also ask me over there. I'll definitely try to help you. Now to install IntelliJ IDEA, you need to first simply go to favorite browser. And then you need to search over here, IntelliJ IDEA download and hit enter. So that's going to show you this www.jetbrains.com as a first search result. So to click on this download IntelliJ IDEA, and that's going to redirect to the official site of JetBrains. Here you need to accept your cookies and all, and then you'll be able to see this site. So this link I'm going to provide right in your description, so you can directly use that link to land over here, and once you are here, you'll be able to see that our IntelliJ IDEA is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Alright, so depending upon what operating system you're using, you need to switch to all these different tabs and you need to download the respective product. So for Windows, you need to first simply select this Windows tab and then you need to scroll down. And then you need to download this IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So this Community Edition is completely free and built on open source. So you can download this. And thank you for downloading, and it is rightly started downloading. See, it is rightly started. I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see that our IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition version 2024.2 is already been downloaded over here, and the file size is 722 MB. To install, you need to just simply double click on it. And it's going to ask you administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes, and there you go. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup. Let's first minimize our download directory, and here you need to just simply click on next. So here it's going to install our IntelliJ IDEA, which is totally fine. If you want to change this installation location, you can always click on browse and you can change that, or else you can just simply keep this all default. Only thing that you need to notice that you need to have 2.6 GB of free space on our C drive, because we are installing it on C drive. So currently I have 115 GB of free space, which is totally fine. I can install IntelliJ IDEA. So just simply click on next, and here under installation options you will see lot of checkboxes. So first I'll start with checking this IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition desktop shortcut. So it's going to create one desktop shortcut over here, so I can just simply double click on it and launch it. So that's why I'm selecting this. Similarly, I'll also like to select this add open folder as project. So what happens is, whenever there is a folder, a Python folder, and you just simply right clicking on that folder, it's going to show you this open folder as project as an option. So you can directly open that folder within IntelliJ IDEA. So that's a very good feature, I must say. So let's check this. And you can also select whichever language you want. So IntelliJ IDEA is for Java, so I'll select Java. I can also select Gradle, Groovy, Kotlin and all that. So all these languages it's going to support. You should be selecting as per your own requirement. You can only select Java, or if you want to only do Kotlin, so for that you can also select Kotlin. So I'm going to make another video about Kotlin. So for now I'm going to uncheck Kotlin and .pom. I'm going to only select .java, Gradle and Groovy, and I'm going to also select this add bin folder to path. Alright, and you can see restart needed. I'm going to talk about at what point to restart your system. Don't worry, so just simply select this much and click on next, and there you go. So it's going to create a JetBrains folder, which is totally fine. Click on install. So our installation is rightly begun. You can see this desktop shortcut is also been created over here. So let's wait for a couple of minutes to get it finish installing our IntelliJ IDEA. So by the time our IntelliJ IDEA get installed, I'm going to also talk about the channel that I have created, Geeky Syntax. So here also regularly I'm posting lot of coding related videos. So please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel along with our Geeky Script blogging channel. Here also I'm posting some of the traveling videos. So if you're interested, you can also follow this channel as well. So let's wait for some time. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our IntelliJ IDEA is successfully installed, and it is telling whether you'd like to reboot your system now or you'd like to manually reboot later. So this is the point that I was talking about. So here you need to simply select this reboot now, and then you need to click on finish. So after successfully rebooting your system, I'll come back to this video. I'll request you also, please do the same. So welcome back. So after successfully rebooting your system, you'll be again landed over to the desktop, and you can see you have the shortcut. So just simply double click on that shortcut to launch our IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So you can see our IntelliJ IDEA Community version 2024.2 is successfully launched. So here it is asking whether you'd like to import all settings from Visual Studio Code. So I have already made a little video about Visual Studio Code, so you can use those settings here as well. But for now, I'll just start it from scratch. So I'll just simply click on skip import, and it's going to launch our IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup. It is rightly launched. So we'll come to IntelliJ IDEA. So let's first maximize it. So I'm going to create a new Java project now. So just simply click on this plus icon, and it's going to open this new project window. Here you need to provide your project name. So let's give the project name as Hello World. And you can see that it is already detected my latest version of Java, which is 2021. So I have already installed Java previously. Again, I have made a detailed video about that as well. So if you haven't installed Java, then also totally fine. You need to install Java now. So you need to click on this under JDK. You will have this drop down. So select that, and then you will see download JDK over here. So you need to click on this download JDK to install your Java. So get it downloaded and then get it installed, and then you will see latest version of Java showing up over here. Since I have already installed Java, so in that case you can see that our latest version of Java 22 is rightly recognized. So I don't need to download it again. So I'm going to keep this default, and I'm going to click on create. So that's going to start creating our Hello World Java project within IntelliJ IDEA, and there you go. You can see our IntelliJ IDEA project is rightly created, and it is rightly opened over here as well. So let's first maximize it. So you can see a demo program is also given over here. So this is our main method. So within main method, we are doing the system.out.printf hello and welcome message. So that is what it's going to print on our console. Along with it's going to also print 1 to 5 natural number on our console. So here is a loop. So it is running from I1 to 5. So it's going to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 to 5 natural numbers. So just keep everything as a default and click on this run button. So that's going to start building your project. At the beginning it might take some time, don't worry. It is building, it is setting up the project, so it might take a little bit of time. You don't need to worry. So once when it gets done, once when it gets successfully built, you can see the output properly showing. So hello and welcome, the number from 1 to 5, it is properly printing on our console. So if you see this similar type of message, then all that basically means is your IntelliJ IDEA is successfully installed on your system. So if you face any issues in middle, you can always comment in our comment sections, or you can also comment on our Instagram account. I'm definitely going to help you. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel along with the Geeky Script blogging channel. I'm definitely going to make a lot of videos in future. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.